Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Before he left, Bhagawan left me a list with questions. May I ask you something?
Yes.
One problem that seems to be occurring more and more frequently is the appearance of terrorists. That is to say, men who are motivated for some mostly political reason.
Yes, the whole basic principle I have already explained. Because they are animals, so sometimes ferocious animals. That's all. There are different types of animals. Tigers and lions, they're ferocious animals. But you live in the animal society. So animal society, another animal comes as very ferocious. That is not very astonishing. After all, you are living in animal society. So, you become human being, ideal. This is the only solution. We have already declared this is animal society. If some ferocious animal comes out, what is the astonishment? After it is animal society. Either a tiger comes or elephant comes. They are all animals. But you don't become animal. Counter that. That is it. A human being is called a rational animal. If you come to the rationality, that is required. If you remain also another animal, another type of animal, that will not help you. You have to become actually human being. That dullabam manusang janma tadapi adhurvam arthadam. These people, they have no aim of life. What is the aim of human? They do not know. So, their animal propensities are being adjusted this way, that way, this way, that way. Just like they go to see naked dance. The animal propensity, he is seeing his wife daily naked and still he is going to see naked dance and paying some fees. Because they have no engagement except this animalism. Is it not? Yes. Now what is the use of going to see another woman naked? You are seeing every day, every night, your wife naked. Why you are? Because they have no other engagement. The animals. Punah char banana. That a dog, it does not know what is the taste. He is simply chewing the bone. This way, that way, this way, that way. Because he is animal. He has no other engagement. So this whole society is animal. Especially the Westerners. And they have developed a civilization on that animal propensity. Hence I am this body and the best use of my life is to gratify sense. This is animal. I am this body. Body means the senses. And to satisfy the senses is the highest perfection. This is the civilization. Now you have to introduce real human civilization. You should not be surprised an animal in different shapes and different capacity comes out. After all, he is an animal. The basic principle is animalism. Because he is thinking, I am this body. As the dog is thinking, I am dog. Very stout and strong dog. So another man is saying, I am big nation. But what is the basic principle? The dog is also thinking on the basis of his body, and this big nation is also thinking on the basis of body. There is no difference between this dog and this big nation. The only difference is the human being, by nature's gift, he got better senses, and he has no power, or there is no education to utilize the better senses, how to advance spiritually and get out of this material world, that he has no sense. He is simply using that better intelligence for animals. This is it. He has no education how to utilize the better intelligence, and therefore he is utilizing only in animals. And people all over the world, when they see the Westerners, they are advanced. What is that? Advancing in animalism. Basic principle remains the animal. They become surprised. They also imitate. So they are expanding animalism, animal civilization. Now we have to counteract for the benefit of the humans.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama.